GRAFIJA is the only multi-layer plastic cards manufacturer in Lithuania. Maybe you are considering the possibility to introduce a loyalty program or want to have gift checks or discount cards produced, payment cards, bank code or password cards. Organization and club members also need cards. Are you looking for some electronic transport ticket manufacturer? Personal identity cards of the new generation? You need to obtain employee certification cards with an accounting system, driver's license? Or maybe you are interested in the production of the SIM cards. Plastic cards are increasingly becoming more popular than the usual documents printed on paper. Entrepreneurs and representatives of the government are becoming more conscious that they are reliable, multifunctional, permanent documents. Information that is saved on the plastic cards help us to adopt innovative strategic decisions. We're well aware of three principal requirements that the customers raise for the cards manufacturers, namely skillfulness, reliability, and safety. We're proud of our well-experienced specialists who can assure that the production will meet these criteria. Today in our printing company we can produce multi-layer plastic cards that have so far been manufactured exclusively abroad. In terms of quality, the cards manufactured by our printing company not only overtake the cards produced abroad, but sometimes even surpass them. Therefore, we can assure that they meet all the highest quality and safety standards. The customers may rest assured that all the work will be performed properly. Do you know what technology is applied in the production of the new generation plastic cards? For 13 years already, GRAFIJA has been the leader in the field of the printing industry. It has always been one step ahead. Today, the printing company is equipped with modern technologies and impressive machines. Technology used for the manufacturing of the multi-layer plastic cards allows to perform the printing job on the inner layers of the card and not on its surface. This assures better protection from forgery. Besides, the cards are more resistant to the physical damage. We are the only multi-layer plastic cards manufacturer in Lithuania. You may rest assured that from the very beginning your order is coordinated by the experienced and reliable managers who can ensure that every job is performed properly and according to your requirements. Specialists of the manufacturing department choose the most suitable technology and determine the deadline for the production. Then the layout is passed to the repro center, where the designer's solution is being realized. The card file is arranged on the printing sheets, the colors are resolved, and the test print is produced. If the test print corresponds to the graphic design, the printing forms used in the further printing process are produced. The image of the card is printed on various types of plastic using all the required colors. This ensures high quality of the graphic image of the card. The printing quality is permanently kept under control so that no strange objects could get onto the card and no spoiled sheets were produced. After the quality check, the layers are arranged into a single set. Although the card looks like a solid product, in fact it's made of several layers. You can compare it to a sandwich. To achieve this, they are fused together at a high temperature and pressure. When the fusion process is over, the plastic cards are cut from the sheet with the help of special knives. After the cards are cut, another test is performed. It includes the checking of the cutting quality, card thickness, adequacy, and position of the graphic image. By your request, we can produce cards containing a hologram, numbering, contact and contactless chips, magnetic tape. The card can store personal data corresponding to the provided information. The printing of the personal data by means of the thermographic and embossing techniques, as well as the application of the laser engraving, are also possible. If the card needs to be featured with a contact chip, the cavity is milled into which the chip is installed. Finally, the manufactured cards are wrapped into the PVC film. We can also provide the instructions for use or your advertising material. In one shift, GRAFIJA printing company can produce up to 50,000 plastic cards. In our printing company, we have already manufactured discount and loyalty cards, bank code and password cards, employee cards with the accounting system, cards for various clubs and organizations, electronic transfer tickets, personal identity cards of the Republic of Lithuania, Lithuanian student cards, Lithuanian civil servant certificates, payment cards. Rely on printing experts.